Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A41. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay and tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Enter loyalty and select card you want to add, for example payback. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Then tap Save. Let's go to the gift card this time, and similarly to loyalty card, select Shop. Enter your details like card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap Save. Last card you can add is public transport. So if you are able to find your public transport, select it. You'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.